Hey, this is Arlene. It's December the 31st, 2020. So, a dirt tenant vandalized the charging parts where you can plug in your USB, whatever this is called. So, if I plug this in, it won't work. I tried different cords that I have a variety of these. None of them will work. That tells me that somebody has vandalized it, probably put something in there and screwed it up. And then on this side, it's the same thing. That doesn't work either. So what happened was, I usually can charge my mouse from my laptop, and I have to now charge it to the wall, and that would be a Derby tenant here at 5640 Santa Monica Boulevard in Los Angeles. We're right next to Gold Diggers, on the west side of Gold Diggers. So I just wanted to do a really quick video on that.